In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful thank you card in Canva. Open Canva and type thank you card in the search bar. Choose a template that fits your needs and click to open it. Then click Customize this template. Double-click the text boxes to edit the message. Change the background color by clicking the background layer and selecting a new color. Adjust the text color by selecting the text and choosing from the color palette. Go to the Uploads tab and drag your own image onto the existing image in the template to replace it. You can also browse the Elements tab to add decorative items like icons or shapes. Once your design is complete, download it or share it directly. And that's it. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.